So ladies and gentlemen, here we go again. As illustrational as my video is, today I'm talking about Olympus, on how you can start mining and how you can make use of the app. Let me quickly walk you guys through. If this is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, click that red subscribe button below, smash that button below to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you tap on that bell notification icon beside the subscribe button, click on it and select all to get notification on all my YouTube videos. And make sure you click that follow button here on TikTok also to follow my TikTok account, follow my Instagram account, follow my Twitter account. You're welcome. Let's get straight into the video. So welcome back, guys. This is the Olympus application. This is the app here. So all I'm going to do is to click on it. So this is how the interface looks like. A notification has popped up that said there are new announcements waiting. So I just need to, what I need to do is to click on me here. This is my profile. Click on me. Make sure to use the link below this video to sign up. The link is also in the description of this video here on YouTube. And if you would like to sign up, if you're watching this video from TikTok, send a message to the WhatsApp number appearing on your screen to send a message to me on WhatsApp. Save the number, come to my WhatsApp, request for my invite code, and the rest of it all. So, first thing you need to do once you are done signing up, make sure to click on check-in here. Alright, make sure to click on check-in and also make sure that you have saved your password somewhere on your phone. It's very important. Okay, make sure you click on copy. Make sure you click on this save password. Alright, so when you are done saving your password, then you come back to check-in. So click on save password. Your password will be copied. Go and save it somewhere on your notepad. Make sure you save it somewhere that is safe, okay? Then the next thing for you to do is to click on check-in. Okay, so for checking in, I have received 100 hash rate. I'll click on confirm. Then I'll click on check-in. I'll click here, sorry. So click on this, look at this button, you're gonna click on it. Let's see the other information that is hidden under that part. Okay, this is the calendar here. This thing works like time stop. Okay, so every day that you check in, it will mark the calendar for you. So today is the 9th day of June 2023. June 2023, 9th day. So it has marked this part for me because I am just starting my journey today. So if I check in again tomorrow, being the 10th day of June 2023, it's going to check number 10, which is the 10th day of June 2023. Alright, so make sure you are checking in every day. If you don't check in every day, your hash rate will be deducted. Your hash rate will reduce, okay? So make sure you check in every day. It's very, very important, alright? So let's move to the next part of this tutorial. So the next part is the verification. This is the verification here. Click on this on verify. Click on it now. So click on it. So when you click on it, there is a countdown here, okay? But before we check on this place, let's come here. So it says for your verification, please upload a photo of your ID holding in your hand. So it's either you take you take a picture here. This is example. So this is how you're going to hold your ID. Remember that I always said that you should go and get your plastic NID card. If you don't know how to get it, send me a message to the WhatsApp number on this video and ask me how you can get it. But if you want me to get it for you, then it's going to cost you. You're going to pay me. Alright? So the countdown is, my countdown right now is 23 hours, 22 minutes and some seconds. Okay? If you upload false information, your account will be permanently banned. So make sure you upload ID that has all your correct information. Okay, let's move to the third part of this video. Let's go back. So the next one is get free hash rate. This is invite. So once you click on it now, let's click on it. So once you click on it, here is this is your invite code. So click to copy. Then here is your link. So click this link now to copy. Let's move to the part 4, the fourth part. The fourth part is my invitation. So when you click on my invitation, you are going to see the list of people who have registered under you, which is your subordinate list. Okay, it says subordinate list. This is first class. This is second level. Now let me explain. The meaning of first class is the people that you refer using your own link. Okay, for those of you who are using my link, you people will appear on this first class. Yeah. Then those people that you refer will appear on second level. Okay. If you refer somebody, that person or those people you refer will appear here. Then those people that you refer, when they refer, it will appear here. This is just like AVIVE. Okay, I've talked about it. This is just like AVIVE. Let's move to the next part. Let's move to the next part, which happens to be the fifth part of this video. We have the notification center or the notice center. This is it here. Okay, so click here to view the notice center. Make sure you always view the notice center. It is very, very important. Okay, it's very, very important if you view the notice center. So these are all the notices. Click on it to read all of them. Let's move to the next one, which is Twitter. So this is Twitter here. This is Telegram. So click on this small icon here, or you click on this one to copy. So click, you have copied. Then the next thing you need to do is to go to Twitter and follow them. Go to Telegram and join. All right. Go to Telegram and join. So for those people who would like to switch their language, for those individuals who would like to switch their language, this is where you switch your language. So when you click on this, it will change to English. When you click on it again, it will change to Chinese. So we are back to the English language. So the ranking list is here also. So when you click on the ranking list, you wait for this page to load up. So once this page loads up, you are going to see your rank. So this is the ranking list here. You can see the first person, the second person, the third person. This is the number of computational power they have. This person have 94 million. This person have 52 million. This person have 38 million. So if you scroll to the bottom, okay, if you scroll to the bottom of this page, that is where you're going to see your own rank. Okay, it's not even showing the bottom list, unlike other applications. All right. So what you need to do again is to make sure you hit the red subscribe button here to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you click the follow button to follow. So that's gonna be it for this video. Then the last thing, your mining will begin in the next 24 hours. When the next 24 hours elapse, that's when your mining will begin. Okay, it's very, very important. Your mining will begin in the next 24 hours. All right, we still have 23 hours to go. Okay, so when you see your mining begin, your balance will be adding up around here. Okay, so make sure you save your password, because if you lose this application, if you don't save your password, you are not going to be able to log in again. All right, you're not going to be logging again. And if once you do your KYC, you'll not be able to do KYC 2 times. You're welcome. So make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel, ring the bell notification icon to notify you of the next video I'll be making on this Olympus application. Okay, make sure to hit the follow button on my TikTok, on my Instagram, on my Twitter. You're welcome. Once again, my name remains Eze West, and this is how to make money online TV. Make sure to save my number and send me a message on WhatsApp. Peace.